Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's video gagawa ako ngayon ng melon chicken cold salad. Tara guys. Ito po yung mga ingredients. Meron tayong zest lemon, red chili, ginger, celery leaves, mint leaves, at saka yung basil leaves, at saka yung ating walnuts at yung ating chicken. At nakagawa na rin ako guys ng salsa o dressing. Ang ginawa ko lang guys ay yung mustard, honey, at saka yung olive oil, salt, at saka yung cayenne pepper. Ayan, minix ko na siya guys, at saka lemon pala. Kasi ayaw niya yung dressings na lemon at saka olive oil lang. Kaya gumawa ako ng dressing. Ayan, itong chicken guys, tanggalin ko muna yung mga maliliit na taba at tanggalin ko rin yung buto. At meron din pala tayong melon. Ayan, natanggal ko na guys yung buto. I-marinate ko lang muna guys itong ating chicken ng paminta at saka yung asin. And then mamaya iprito natin siya guys ng golden brown. Ayan, iset aside lang muna natin guys. Ayan guys, nakat ko na yung ating melon. Ilagay ko muna sa fridge. Ayan, okay na siya. At pangurin na natin at i-slice na natin siya ng manipis. Ayan, ilagay ko na guys yung ating prinitong chicken, yung ating celery leaves, mint leaves, at saka yung basil leaves. And then yung ating ginger, yung ating chili na maanghang, at saka yung lemon zest, then yung ating walnuts, at saka yung ating dressing. Ayan. And mix lang natin siya guys until well combined. Ayan, ito na guys yung melon chicken cold salad. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung aking video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.